Hi, welcome to Jennifer's Craft and Creations. I'm Mark, Mr. Picky to some, and we'd like to introduce to you our design for a sanding disc storage system. And this is what it is. Straightforward. It is a wall mountable storage system for your sanding discs. And this is what it is. Just change that to that. And that's better. Now we can see. It is a wall mounted 2-inch sanding disc storage system. 5 pods, 5 modules, hinges top and bottom, and movable units so you can easily access the sanding discs. And it comes with screws for mounting, a sticker, and a selection of sanding discs. 10 sanding discs, 120 through 400, 2 of each. Along with some stickers. Well, depending on where you start and where you finish with your sanding regime, and screws for mounting it to the wall. Now, as you can see, I put it in the camera properly. Take it out of the box, out of the bag. As you can see, these are pan head wood screws, and the reason they're pan head rather than countersunk is because when you fit them in, you get a positive fit. Hinge dead square, and if you were to use countersunk, slightly over tighten it, you could split the plastic. These are designed and printed in our Jenny's workshop or work area, printed and made with PLA filament to add rigidity and strength to the components. Put them away. They are, the total length of the unit is 24 centimeters, 9.5 inches, and each unit is 30 centimeters tall. 3 centimeters tall, and the storage area is 26-ish millimeters. So it's got a 4mm base or thereabouts. Screws to the wall, everything you need for it you will get in the box. Now to see it on the wall, bear with me please. As you can see, this is how it fits into top and bottom. This is the variation. This is the first iteration of the system. These 40mm pods. These are the 25mm, and I've put in some transition pads into there. Got 3 in there, but that's roughly how it would fit on the wall. So yeah, these will be available on Jennifer's Made Me store, which I'll put a link in the bottom in the description. It will be available. We're not currently shipping out of the UK. It's UK sales only at this moment in time. Fully movable. You can pick and choose and slide them out of the way and whatever you want to do with them. For me, I find it easier to have that system than in a little toolbox where you won't fish it out every time you want something. Try to be a little bit more organised with the system. But feel free, have a look. We've also got some more other pen blanks and pen blanks, I believe, on there, and some made up things as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you like what you see. Please consider sharing and liking this video. Thank you very much. Cheers now.